Santee Cooper, meeting the growing energy needs of the 21st century while protecting the environment and natural heritage of South Carolina through its innovative Santee Cooper Green programs. Santee Cooper Green presents Living Green. Power outages can occur anywhere at any time. The Distribution Control Center at Santee Cooper monitors customers' power and sometimes recognizes a problem even before an outage occurs. Planning is everything when it comes to power outages, and if a hurricane comes this year, they're ready.
It's a 24/7 operation. We've got various systems in place that monitor the devices that deliver power, and should there be any kind of problems or issues with that equipment, the controllers, the operators in this center are alerted to that, and we can address those issues.
To keep the power up and running for more than 163,000 customers in Horry, Georgetown, and Berkeley counties, the entire system is monitored at one place, Santee Cooper's Distribution Control Center in Horry County.
We handle power events every day, from outages to working with customers. So when a hurricane event occurs, it's just a matter of stepping it up another notch for us. We do a lot of the same things, so daily is our training preparation for the big event, so to speak.
An outage management system helps Santee Cooper keep an eye on power without having to go out in the field.
For example, when outages are called in by our customers, whether it's coming through our call center and they're talking to a customer service rep or using our interactive voice response system, those calls then flow into our outage management system, are displayed on a geographical map so that we can easily detect where the calls are coming from. And then the system has an engine that is doing analysis and will predict the most likely device that is affected by those calls that are coming in. This system allows us to remotely monitor as well as control. And when I say control, what that means is it prevents us from having to send personnel out to that location to operate those devices. So we can do it remotely from here. Oftentimes we can fix problems, make adjustments, get settings back in bandwidth without dispatching anybody out in the field, which keeps them off the road and of course provides another aspect to safety, being able to see exactly what's going on. We can implement a response immediately versus allowing a piece of equipment to completely fail. We've got alarm points that allow us to know in advance before something gets serious.
A big factor in the planning at the center is monitoring the weather. Santee Cooper looks at lightning data, their own satellite feed, as well as local media outlets. The facility itself can withstand Category 5 winds from a hurricane.
We're monitoring if we see any conditions that could threaten the Santee Cooper service area. We then begin to plan for that, communicate that information out to the various employees who play key roles in power restoration. And we do have a corporate emergency action plan for power system disasters. It's a plan basically that corporately, systematically organizes the employees and the resources that we need to deal with a widespread damage or service interruption to our customers.
Santee Cooper received an award for being in the top 5% in the nation of utility companies who provide reliable power.
As a matter of fact, this past year we had our best year ever since tracking these particular indices. Our reliability for this past year was 99.9972% for distribution. I'd just like to assure them that Santee Cooper is working around the clock, 24/7, 365 days a year, to keep an eye on our systems to ensure that we can provide that reliable power that they've become to expect.
A comfort for all Santee Cooper customers living in Eastern Carolina during hurricane season. For more information about this and other programs designed to help you live green, visit santeecoopergreen.com. Living Green from Santee Cooper Green.